finished eating my banana, and you see this banana peel, it is more important to me more than the fruit itself that I have just eaten. You heard that right. This peel is more important to me more than the fruit itself. I know many of you will be thinking I'm going to throw this banana peel away. No. I ain't throwing this away. No, I'm going to be showing you what you'll be doing with your banana peels, that you would never, ever again throw your banana peels away. Coming from my previous video, many of you were saying that banana fruity, that they can't have it, and because they are diabetic, it's for people that have hypertension or any other person that doesn't have any health condition. But what about the people that have diabetes? Does that mean they can have banana tea? No. Boy, girl, you can have banana peel tea, which is very good for you, for anyone who is diabetic, or anyone who is hypertensive, or anyone who needs a good quality sleep. Banana peel tea will help you. I've got my own banana peel tea here. I'm gonna give that a good stir, and I'm gonna give that a taste. Nice. This tea is good for everyone and everyone. Like I always tell you guys, right here on my channel, there is a drink for everyone. There is no partial, there is no discrimination, there is no racism. No, there is a drink for everyone. So you're welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Naomi, and to my returning subscribers, my family, I love you all. Thank you for tuning back in. This tea has a lot of health benefits. Number one, it is called the AKA insomnia treatment. You have insomnia, banana peel tea would help you. As you already know, it is made from what? It is made from banana peel. This banana peel tea is also packed with magnesium, which is also known as the magical minerals. Oh my God, it is wonderful, guys. Like I said earlier, in fact, you need the banana peel more than its fruit itself. You heard me right. You need the banana peel, you need this peel more than its actual fruit itself, because this peel is full packed with potassium, full packed with magnesium that any peel can ever give to you. And it is natural, like what God gave us, what Baba God gave us, natural. No preservatives, no added anything, no subtraction. It is natural. This banana peel contains more nutrients than its actual fruit. I cannot stop emphasizing on that because I have tried, I have tested, and I'm here to tell you, yes, it is true. And you know, this banana peel has a very good high level of antioxidants, which will prevent you from any chronic condition, from any chronic diseases out there. Before I move on, I need to show you guys what my own banana peel looks like. This is where I usually store mine. After making it, I store them here just like that. Can you see that? There are lots and lots of it. I usually make them in batches because my husband and I, we love banana a lot. So whenever we eat our bananas, we don't throw away the peel. So I store them in the freezer. So I turn it into my banana peel tea. I just love this container. This is actually just your regular sparkling water container, just your regular bottle water container. So you don't have to spend too much money to buy containers to store your fruit teas. No, use your regular containers, which you can see is what I use, and you just have to label them with a pen, with your marker, with your highlighter. Just label them so you can remember which one is which. So this is where I store them. I have like 10 of these bottles in my fridge. I'm not exaggerating, guys. I'm gonna show you my fridge. If you're doubting me, if I hear you doubting me from there, I'm gonna show you my fridge right now. So this is what I have sitting in my fridge. I've got this one, I've got the orange peel, I've got the pineapple. New video is coming up for you guys soon. You don't want to miss it. So let me show you how to make this banana peel tea. This is my banana peel on the pot, and throw in my 3 cups of water is what I'll be using. 3 cups of water into the pot, and I'm going to go straight to dicing my banana peel, just like that. You just dice it anyhow you can, yeah? That is 1 banana peel, and that goes where? Straight into the pot. Please remember, do not use your banana peel if you haven't washed it 99.9% clean. I'm not just running under the tap water, but to what? Get off the chemicals and the pesticides that are residing on top of the fruits. So here is my turmeric. We're going to be using turmeric as well. To see how to wash your fruits 99.9% clean, please visit my previous video. I have shot a video for you people there. Please check it out. It is simple and straightforward. And for the turmeric, this is my homemade turmeric. That's why it's labeled like that. Don't mind me, guys. So I'm going to be using half tablespoon of the turmeric. So that's all I'm going to be using, just half tablespoon. I'll just throw that into my pot, just like that. You have to be careful when you're using turmeric so you don't stain up all your kitchen cabinet or your kitchen top and everything. Now, if you are using turmeric just like that, sorry, it will not be activated. To get this turmeric activated, you need a pinch or dash of black pepper. So if you're using turmeric just like that, sorry, you are just drinking the turmeric without getting the benefits. I would also be adding some cloves, 10 pieces of whole cloves. Just throw that into the pot as well, and cover the pot, turn on the heat, and I'm going to leave this to come to a boil for 5-10 minutes. At this point, you see it is coming to a boil. You just have to reduce your heat now. At this point, turn it down. As you can see, I've turned down my heat. That is why the bubbling has also reduced. At this point, all I'm going to do next is gradually open it up. Wow. And I'm going to be adding in some cinnamon sticks at this point. So I'll just break in some cinnamon sticks and add it at this point, just like that. I will now cover this and allow it to simmer for another 5-7 minutes on a very low heat. Look at the level of my heat, very low. I'll just leave that to simmer there. It's been 5 minutes to 7 minutes now. As you can see, it's beginning to bubble up and it has come to a real boil. I'm just going to turn off the heat now. I'll turn the heat off totally, and I know you guys will be laughing at me that I've prepared my cup long time ago. Yes, I have, because I know what is coming through. So I just want to put this paper towel underneath, because turmeric, oh my god, turmeric can be very messy. Of course, I'll get my sieve, yeah, and I'll open that up. Voila, look at that, guys. It smells good. This smells good. Good. So all I'm going to do is just give that a good stir that up, and then I'm just going to go ahead and sieve that into my cup. So there you go, guys. There you go for your banana peel tea. So everyone has a drink. Can be taken mostly at night. It will help you to sleep well. I hope you have learned how to make banana peel tea now, and you can make it for yourself. It is simple, it is affordable, it is accessible, and it is delicious, and it has a very good health benefits like I've just mentioned previously. So do not throw away your banana peels. anymore for life. If you have too much, please put them in a Ziploc bag and store them in your freezer. So whenever you want to use it, bring it out, throw it into your pot, put in the water, just the way you've seen it now, and make yourself a good, lovely banana peel tea that everyone can have. If your father or your elderly ones or your friends or anyone you know, they've got sleeping problem, give them banana peel tea. If they've got hypertension, give them banana peel tea. If they're diabetics, give them banana peel tea. It will help them a lot according to research. Bye for now. Hey, before you go, as you know how we do it, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe now. And if you love what you see, give me a thumbs up, like this video, share it, send me your comments, leave me your comment. I want to read from you. I want to hear what you have to say when you try this tea or even before trying it. Let's share our opinions. Give me your reviews, give me your views, give me your opinion. All right, I'm gonna see you later. Yay, yay, bye, bye, bye.